Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get unlimited storage on Google Drive. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, to get unlimited Google Drive storage, you will need to sign up for a G Suite account rather than using a standard Google account. The basic G Suite account, which costs $6 per month, comes and 30 GB of the storage, but the business Google Suite account, which costs $12 per month, gives users 1 TB of the storage. If you add 6 users to your business G Suite account, Google will increase the storage for each user from 1 TB to